Back on Lucha B 5512 TV. Project for the day. 2003 Chrysler Town and Country. So, you know, I'm a one-man cameraman. This is what I got so far. Fairly easy. If you're on one of these vehicles, the only different things you're gonna need is one of these. T45 torque spec. Back in the lab today, man. You know what I mean? Been on a hiatus. Got my trusty dusty box. You feel me? Sitting on them 312. Me and Black Son, we out here, bro. Just clocked out, but I'm clocking in, sending them deals all weekend too. So you in the area, and you know me, fuck with me. This ain't nothing but a simple brake pad job. But that's one side. Now you gotta grease and load them back up. Simple shit, man. Simple shit. Content for y'all, though. Y'all stay tuned. So what you wanna do is, I'm gonna get y'all play by play. I don't hear it by myself. These are the new pads. Just the old ones are taken off. So what you wanna do is brake grease. Get that synthetic, but they got all types of different shits, you know what I mean? Just crack that open, excuse me for a minute. And just dab a little bit on the pads. Don't take too much. Me, I'm a thug nigga, so I don't care about getting my hands dirty. So I just take some, I just rub it on that black plate. You feel me? So I'm working with one hand. And it's just simple. As I say, I'm working with one hand, so excuse me. And how y'all getting it, but put this down. Scrub it. I just want to get that plate right here greased up. Stop swirling. And that's it. Brake pad in place, shoe in place. Driver side completed. On to the passenger. Same shit, just on a different side. But that's pretty much it, man. 03 Chrysler Town and Country. So y'all remember, hit that like button, subscribe, share, all that good shit. Lucha B 5512. Oh, in the game.